change after all these years? Why can't I change my ways? I find it so strange after all these years. I'm still more or less the same. Wherever I go, whatever I do, whatever I know, it just comes and goes so soon. Whatever life brings, whatever song it sings, I'm still whistling the same old tune. Why can't I change after all these years? Why can't I change my ways? I find it so strange after all these years. I'm still more or less the same.
This is a grassland. See the grassland.
Whatever I take, whatever I live, I'm still running in the same old race. Whatever choice I make,
And see, this is the water.
road I take,
Some kind of
I still wind up in
water, which is
so why can't I change
the remaining of the floods of Brahmaputra.
after all these years?
And
Why can't I change
this water seems to be very clean, but once you go inside it, it will be full of mud or silt. See, this is the water. It's nothing but it's the remains of the flood of Brahmaputra, and now the mighty Brahmaputra is at its most humble position. Let's see what's on top of it. It seems there is a grassland full of grasses. And it seems the grass is as tall as like me, over 5 feet tall. And see, these are pine or some kind of trees which are only found in the bank of Brahmaputra.
find it so strange after all these
And here it is,
I'm still
the
more
grassland.
or less the same. Wherever I go,
These grasslands are as dangerous as you can say, because who knows, tigers and leopards are lurking around it. Let's make a move. It's never safe to be in this kind of jungles, because tigers or leopards
still whistling the same old tune.
may be lurking around it.
Why can't I change after all these
And here I am, moving back to my friends who are waiting for me. They are eagerly waiting for me.
so strange
And he's none other than my brother-in-law, Ramesh Teron, and his daughter, who has just came to call me back. As I'm all alone, I have called them before to let them know that I am here, and here they are just came long distance just to pick me up. Now they are obviously engaged in photo session with his daughter. Yeah, that's a different thing. It resembles like a desert when there is no floods, especially in the dry season. The bank of Brahmaputra seems almost like a desert. It looks deserted. Only occasionally you can see cows who venture out of the jungle to take sun bath. It's far away. You just see this area, it will be submerged under the river Brahmaputra during its rainy season. Mighty Brahmaputra. Chalo guys, I'm gonna sign out from you people for the time being. Yes guys, it's been very nice to be with you people.